This is the Xgimi Aura 2, an ultra short throw projector designed for the ultimate home cinema experience. In this review, we'll be taking a look at the recently released Aura 2, its specs and features, and put it to the test against its previous version, so you can decide if the Aura 2 is right for you. Let's get started. Welcome back to Space Age Tech, where we look at the tech that pushes the limits. First, let's see what's in the box. This is a very nice retail-ready box. The first thing you'll find inside is a large card with a very important QR code that directs you to the installation guide. For the most part, setup is very intuitive, but it's nice to have if you get stuck. Everything is super cleanly laid out, very nicely padded. We just have a few components aside from our Aura 2. They are all on the lower compartment. And as you can see, these are also very neatly organized. On the very bottom, we have our power cable. Then we have our quick start guides and warranty card. Keep this with your most treasured possessions. And finally, we have our remote control with some starter batteries. And that is all. Now let's take a closer look at our Aura 2. We'll first have to remove the protective film. The first thing we notice is its size. It feels very compact, it won't take up too much counter space, so it's perfect for a minimalistic setup. It's just about 5.7 inches tall, 20 inches long, and 10.63 inches wide. And even though we have a small footprint, our image capability is outstanding, with a screen size anywhere from 90 inches to 115 inches at 2300 ISO lumens. This is a seriously capable projector. We're going to find our vents in the bottom and on the back, where we'll also find our input ports. We have 3 USB ports, a total of 3 HDMI ports, with one of them being eARC supported, and our LAN connection. Aside from LAN, we have Wi-Fi 6 dual band and Bluetooth 5.0. Now that we're all plugged in, let's turn it on. One of the new features is the automated lens cover. Here you can see it sliding back when the projector is on. This is a very big improvement. It will prevent dust and debris from getting into your lens, which means little maintenance to keep a crystal clear image. Automatically opening and closing when the projector is on or off, respectively. We really like this elegant design. It's made to blend well with its surroundings. Currently, it only comes in this light gray color. It has eco-friendly fabric that is easy to clean, waterproof, dustproof, and oil resistant. But aside from being beautiful outside, it's also packed with the latest features. Let's set up our Aura 2 so we can discuss these and see them in action. The Aura 2 runs on Android TV 11.0. This allows you to connect to your favorite streaming apps. One of the first configuration steps is to sign into or create a Google account and select from the recommended apps, if any. It also has Chromecast built in to mirror your display from a mobile device, and it comes with Google Assistant, so you can use voice to search or control your device. Pretty neat. Now, let's get into the image options. Xgimi really put a lot of thought into helping you get the best possible image with a seamless experience. We have features like intelligent image correction, which ensures the projected image is a perfect rectangle, and autofocus that ensures sharp images. Other features include wall flatness adaptation, which will come in handy for those with uneven walls, as the Aura can ensure a perfectly flat image even when your wall is not completely flat. This is part of your initial setup, but you can always come back to this from the settings button on your remote. Here we see the image correction settings that we initially went through. We also have a few different preset modes that adapt the brightness according to what you're watching. For example, TV or movies, etc., including a boost mode for maximum brightness. We also have some 3D capabilities. We won't be trying this out today, but we look forward to trying them in the future. As far as sound goes, we have built-in 60-watt Harman Kardon speakers. The speakers are enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology, eliminating the need for additional audio equipment. You should be able to get clear speech, crisp highs, and booming lows. So now we're ready to go. Let's take a look at some images. Here we're projecting directly onto the wall. The wall color is an off-white color, and this is approximately a 120-inch screen. To achieve this size, this ultra short throw projector only needs to be 10.33 inches away from the wall. And in its max configuration of 150 inches, it only needs 15.32 inches of clearance. Amazingly, you don't need to set up this at the back of the room and block the screen every time you get up for snacks. And it's a little safer option, as kids and adults alike are less likely to get flashed by the projector light. This is by design, but Xgimi also added other eye protecting features. The Aura 2 utilizes an infrared body sensor to detect the human presence and automatically turn off the screen, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience. This is especially important if you have young kids or pets running around. What we are appreciating here is a little close-up of our sun. There is an incredible amount of detail shown here. We get this beautiful, bright picture thanks to wall color adaptation, ensuring true-to-life colors. The projector automatically adjusts the color temperature of the projected image to match the wall. You can definitely use a projection screen, but as you can see, this image is pretty outstanding, very crisp, very clear, and it's projecting straight to the wall. And this is a recording of a projected image that you're watching through your screen, so it won't really do it justice, but hopefully you can appreciate the quality somewhat. Thanks to Dual Light 2.0, the latest technology from Xgimi, which combines wide spectrum and narrow spectrum hybrid light source technology, the Aura 2 can achieve amazing picture quality in brightness, contrast ratio, color gamut, and color accuracy. Definitely an immersive home entertainment experience. And with super low latency of 20 milliseconds, the images rendered are super smooth. This would be great not only for streaming movies, but also a very unique gaming experience. And we talked a little bit about images being bright and clear. But in addition to super high lumen projection, the Aura 2 is enhanced with MEMC technology that captures fast-moving objects with high clarity. Super important for all the sports and action fans out there. All of this comes with 20,000 hours lamp life, or about 13 years of use. So you can pass it down to your children at some point. So now let's see how it does against its predecessor, the Xgimi Aura. Here you can see them side by side. On the left-hand side, we have the Aura 2, and on the right, the Aura. Capability-wise, one of the biggest differences is the ultra short throw range. They're sitting at the same distance from the wall, however, the Aura 2 is able to cast a larger image at a shorter distance. In total, both are able to produce the same size screen, but at different distances from the projection wall. But the biggest difference is going to be the brightness. The Aura 2 has 2300 isolumens of brightness, which is 28% more of the Aura's 1800 isolumen. This allows the Aura 2 to project more detail in a brighter environment. And just a note here, of course, in this setup, both projections are overlapped so the middle area looks the brightest. However, to compare them, we should ignore that area and concentrate on the outside brightness of each projector. Feel free to stop the video during these images to note the contrast between both. On the outer left, we can see the images more vividly. Especially notice what happens when there's an explosion. The depth of colors produced by the Aura 2 is more vivid. We think this is a pretty noticeable improvement. Size-wise, you can see the Aura has a bigger footprint and actually weighs about 5 pounds more. Design-wise, they are totally different projectors, different colors, different finishes. One of the key differences is that the Aura 2 has an automated lens cover to protect it, whereas the Aura must be frequently cleaned out. So, what did you think? Let us know in the comments. We thought the Aura 2 is even better than its predecessor, which we already loved. The added brightness and ability to cast a larger screen from a shorter distance really makes a difference in the immersive experience. And we can't wait to try other features like 3D. Are you ready to get yours? Check out the links in the description. We'll be reviewing this and other amazing technology in our upcoming videos. If you enjoy this one, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.